How to reopen recently closed tabs in Safari. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. In this video, I will be guiding you on how to reopen recently closed tabs in the Safari browser on iPhone. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on button corner. Then tap on Start Page. Or you can tap on the Add button. To make a new start page, then in here, there is Recently Closed Tabs. Now open up or tap that you have recently closed. So here, I can tap on the Technology page. So yeah, this is how you can reopen recently closed tabs on Safari. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe to our channel. Take it simple. I will be seeing you guys on next video. Until then, bye bye.